Hey guys, really quick, hopefully I can get this. I'm here at Walgreens in the parking lot at the park. There is two, what do you call them, dishwashers over there that I'm hoping to get the, the copper wires off of, but there's a can here I'm trying to get. Rockstar. Alright, so I only got 15% left of battery life. So I may not get this. I got my cord cutters in my back pocket. I got my walking staff with me. I do not have a bag, or do I? Alright, yes, I will just take the bag. No, that's got holes in it. Never mind. Alright, I don't have a bag that's good enough. Let's just go do this real quick, okay? I probably should lock my door. I'm going to be away from it for a little bit, so yeah, let's do that. Lock the door real quick. Find the door thing. Doing that, I'm going to lose my camera thing. So I may not get the other thing on camera if I even remember to stop there. Alright, I got my staff. Alright. On the sidewalk. Going to these, I think there's two dishwashers here. I just want a cord, if I can get it. They're right here, can you see them? Is there any cords on them? Somebody might have got the cords already, y'all. I don't see any cords on them at all. That's a bummer. Yep, it looks like somebody already got the cords on them. Alright, I'm stepping into the road real quick to look. Ew. Plastic bags of trash. Yeah, if I had a truck, I would pick these things up. What's that? Alright, one piece of scrap. I will take that. And whoever else scraps, they can have the rest, right? Ooh, cockroaches. I got the base. Alright, let's walk back. I'm not leaving empty-handed. Somebody already got the cords. I got a little base. I'm trying to be quiet because there's somebody's house there. Now I've seen at this intersection, I have seen money in the road, but it's just too busy. And they got me a cap just now. Hubcap cover. Is that jury? Probably not. I'll have to look at it at the car, man, because somebody might decide to turn in here. I'm trying to look to see. There's a few bolts here and stuff, so we'll try to get those out. And a washer, okay? And that. Alright, I got a little bit of scrap. What's that? Is it metal or not? No, it's not metal. Alright. I haven't gone that long, so now I wished I left my car door unlocked, but now it's safer to lock it. Alright, what is that? One little piece looks interesting there. Ford? Huh. It's messed up, whatever it is, Ford. Get my keys out, man, gosh. I just lost something. I don't know if it was important or not. Oh, now I'm noisy, aren't I? I'm back over here in the parking lot, so maybe it don't matter. Maybe. Just maybe. Oh, I got grass picked up too. Where did it drop? Maybe it wasn't important because I really don't see nothing. Alright. Maybe it was a piece of lint. Oh, I held on to my stuff. Alright, well, we'll just put it over here then. No worries. Easier to reach it anyhow back here. I'll just put my glove on the front seat with me so I know where it's at. I did have it in the back earlier. Maybe I just need to put a piece of Velcro on my glove and a piece of Velcro on my walking staff, and that way I shall have it, right? Alright, y'all. Alright, mini videos. I don't know if I'll stick this with the other one or not. I still wanted to go and stop at that other place, but I just don't know if that's going to happen or not. Okay. Get in there. Buckle up first. Turn off my bright light. Here we go. You guys are on. Still. Okay. I don't know. Y'all want to remain on? We're going down the highway. I don't know. I don't know. Wait for oncoming traffic? Oh, it might be. Yep. Okay, we're going to pause you.